Hello viewers, I welcome you all. You're most welcome to our educative series of how to do it, brought to you by Global Tech Center. So today we are going to learn how to connect your Android phone to your PC, or how to connect your PC to your Android phone using Xender application, mainly for data transfer or file transfer. So this is really something which is very paramount in computing in case you've lost your USB cable or your USB cable has malfunctioned. So Xender has your covered. So let's first get to know what we need in order for us to be able to do this kind of connection. So one, you need to be having network interface card installed into your desktop or your laptop. And then also you need a browser. Maybe you can use Microsoft Edge, Google Chrome, or even Firefox, Mozilla. And then also you need to have the application installed on your phone. Next, you also need to turn off data saver, disable data saver, because hotspot usually cannot function when data saver is active. And then the operating system which is required, any can work, can use Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 8.1, Windows 10, or even 11, or even when you're using other Windows, maybe you're using other operating systems like Ubuntu, or you're using Mac operating system, so any can work. In this case, anyway, we're going to be using Windows 10. And why do you need to use Xender for data transfer in your phone or between your devices? One, it is fast. Xender also enables very fast data transfer. And then also two is that it does not require internet connection. So if you have this fear that, but now I don't have internet, no, it does not require the internet connection. And then also when you don't have your USB, maybe your USB is damaged, like I said earlier, or it is malfunctioning. So at least, and you really need to transfer data, maybe you're in office, or yeah, there are really some scenarios that will really look very awkward, and so you can use Xender to really help you. But however, I must tell you that Xender also using Xender to transfer data between devices also has limitations or demerits. One is that it exposes classified information. So maybe you have a folder which is classified or which is secret, you don't want, but once you don't want it to appear on the screen, but sometimes maybe you have people sitting around you, they are watching you do it, so sometimes it's not effective that way. And then also that it requires you to be very keen or be very technical, because it has also principles of use, or rather it has, it has been coded in a unique way, like you cannot mix these files, like when you want to transfer or when you want to drag a video into an audio interface, it will not work, or you want to drag an audio into a document interface, it will not work. So you also have to be keen, so therefore it requires keenness. So let's get started, and we see how we can be able to solve that problem which you always have. So now you go to your phone, then you go to your applications. So in this case, I have my Xender application, and it must be Xender Go, or latest application of Xender. So you open the app like this, and you wait for the app to load. So shortly it's going to load, and then you'll see the steps. So it has the steps that you must follow, so for you to be able to connect. So wow, so we are now here. So now from here in your phone here, so you see these three dots, or these three lines above here in this ribbon. So you click here, and then we're going to use the second option, which is connect to web. So we're going to click here. So, and then now it gives you these three options, I mean 3 steps. So step 1, go to settings, then network and internet, then hotspot, and then you create a hotspotting connection. So in case you've not set a password, you can set your own password. So let's tap here and then go. So it's going to redirect us. So now we are now in the settings and window, and now this is what we need, Wi-Fi hotspot. So we click here, and then now as you can see, this is our Wi-Fi is off. Then we're going to turn it on. So we're going to tap here first, then to see if the security type that we have here is in WP-A2. So that's the type that we have. So for me, I'm going to, and then of course the password, if you have a password, you can put your password here, and for me, I'm going to use none for now because it's quite faster when I use none. So then I save like that because I want to connect mine quite very fast. So then now I enable the connection like that, then I go back. Now for me, it's now my connection is now created, my hotspot is now now I now go to my browser. So in this case, for me, I'm going to use Chrome. So I will now open my browser. So this is the browser. So I'm going to type this address in this URL, or this is search bar. So then I'm going to click here. Then I'm going to. So depending if you've been using, if you ever used Xender to connect to your PC, of course, now your PC will remember the address. So, but in this case, let's try to type it so that at least we go together. So 192 dot one sorry dot dot 168 dot 43 dot 1. Then we have a full count here. We have 33. Immediately when the network connects, it's going to give you that kind of a pop-up on your screen, both on your, it's going to give you that pop-up both on your phone and even on your PC. So now the window has popped even on my phone. So accept the connection. So we are now here. Of course, now when you reach here, this is the home window. This is the interface that appears on your home button. So you will have this, you will have it will show you the how many images, how many photos you have, how many videos, how many audios, documents, and applications, and then also this is it. Now the storage icon. So you can operate from here or you can operate from here. So you can use any side that you want to operate from. In case we can use this one, but of course once you click here, this is just the beginning interface, but once you click here, it will now disappear like that. So these are my images that I have. So these are my images. Let me go to gallery here. So I can now be able to move. So this is now the scroll bar which you use for moving. So as you can see, these are the images. I have 4 images in my camera. Then in my download, I have also 5, and then also others. But this keeps, if I want to pick any image from here, I can be able to pick. So depending on your folders, I have WhatsApp, images, and then also screenshots and others. So that is that in case I want images. So these are my videos. These are my videos. So now if you want to download a file or you want to upload a file, there are 2 options here. Downloading means you're downloading to your PC. Then uploading means you're sending to your phone. So if you want to download, So this is how you download. So you see these files now have download button here. So you can click on a single file like now this, so it picks. Then now I click on the download button, and then as you can see, the downloading instantly runs. So it has been finished. So as you can see from here, the downloading is done. Now if you want upload, to the phone, from the PC to the phone. So you open the file explorer window like this. So in this case, maybe I want to download, I want to upload this file. This is called Xender to PC connection requirements. So now I will have to go and open the document transfer window. So, and which is the document transfer window, which is here. So I come to documents here. So this is the document share window. So now from here I can be able to see any form of a document. So but I cannot drag any different file here other than a document. So I now open my file explorer. Of course I have to have it minimized a little, so that I can now drag and drop. So this is what I want. So I click on it first of all, right click, left click on it like that, then you drag it and drop it here. So as you can see, it instantly downloads. So then even videos, like for example, now if I want to upload a video to my phone, so I can still open the window. Like for example, already I have this file explorer open, so I try to look for any video around. Let me see. So unfortunately I don't have many, but I think I have one here. So if I want to transfer this one now here, now right click on it, then I'll drag it and drop it in there. So it now downloads. So this one is 95 MB. So it's now downloading. So I'm trying to wait until it finishes downloading. So as you can see, it's running really fast and it's really good. So it's now sending the video to my phone. So that is how I do it. So sometimes you might want to, so as you can see, the notification appears. Sometimes you might want to download or you want to transfer many documents at the same time. So let's assume this is you want to download all this at once. So you can just come and click on the file name like that. So and then just click here, then you select all, or you can just select them manually like this, because sometimes you may not be wanting others, so you can choose to leave them like that. So maybe let me leave this PowerPoint. So I'll only send this. I'll only send the document, the Word document. So so as you can see, I've selected the ones that I want. So it is now only to send them to my phone. So as you can see, to my PC, so I have that batch download button there. So I click here, and then now it initiates the download. I click here and the download will be initiated. So as you can see, it's saying that insecure, but I'm going to keep the download. So it downloads. So it has downloaded 8.1 MB. So that is how. So things that you must remember: you cannot drag an audio into a document interface. You cannot drag a document into an audio interface. You can also not drag a video into an audio interface. It is strictly, if it's an audio interface, it's an audio interface. If it's a document interface, a document interface. So that is that. So this one does not require internet. So after you are done with your data transfer or file transfer, so you now go to your phone and click on the back button if you want to disconnect. So it's going to show you disconnect, and then you disconnect button. When you disconnect, it's now going to give you um, a yellow document, a yellow notification there, like that, that mobile is disconnected. Please try. So that means that you have disconnected your phone from your laptop, so, or from your computer. That is generally how we can be able to share files through Xender between our devices. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and share this video.